My name is Jeff Varasano, and I'm the owner of Varasano's Pizzeria here in Atlanta. And in a previous life, I used to be the first world record holder for the Rubik's Cube. And I've got some Rubik's Cubes right here. Now, a lot of kids online, you'll see do the cube really fast on, 15, 20 seconds. A lot of people can do it. But rather than solve the cube, what I'm going to do, and she's been scrambling this, right? You scrambled this up pretty good?
I scrambled
I'm going to match this cube to this scramble. Okay, so I've never seen this scramble before. I'm going to take this cube and I'm going to morph it into this scramble. Okay, here we go. I'm going to get started. This generally takes me, right around a minute and 15 seconds, something along those lines. Whereas solving a cube, is more like 20, 25 seconds. Let's see. Check it. Okay, I've got the corners on one side matching. Not that anybody knows what I'm doing here, but see. Switch these two. Now I'm going to start, got all the corners done, now I'm going to start lining up individual little pieces here. Let's see what we got. All the pieces on one side now. Two here. And three on that side. That side is done now. Alrighty, let's see. Those match?
Yes.
And those?
Yes.
And those?
Yes.
And those?
Yes.
Yes.
Those?
Yes.
And those.
Bloody hell.
Yeah!